Hello, design lovers. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're diving into something truly special, creating a stunning holiday farmhouse aesthetic inspired by the queen of understated elegance, Jean Stoffer. If you adore neutral palettes, natural textures, and timeless Christmas charm, you're in the right place. We'll transform every corner of your farmhouse into a cozy winter wonderland that feels both collected and effortlessly beautiful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Drop a like if you're excited and comment below with your favorite holiday decorating style. Your farmhouse exterior sets the stage for the magic within. Channel Jean Stoffer's refined simplicity by adorning your front porch with fresh greenery garlands draped across railings and door frames. Choose eucalyptus mixed with cedar for that organic, aromatic appeal. Add oversized lanterns flanking your entrance, filled with pillar candles or battery-operated lights. A simple wreath made from olive branches or magnolia leaves brings sophistication without overwhelming the architecture. Keep your color palette to creams, greens, and natural wood tones. This restrained approach creates an inviting atmosphere that whispers elegance rather than shouts it, perfectly embodying the Stoffer aesthetic. Step inside to an entryway that balances function with beauty. Start with a vintage wooden bench or settee upholstered in neutral linen, perfect for removing shoes while adding warmth. Above it, hang a large-scale mirror with a weathered frame to reflect light and create depth. Flank the mirror with simple evergreen wreaths tied with linen ribbons. Your coat hooks should be individual brass or matte black pieces mounted directly to shiplap walls for that authentic farmhouse feel. Below, place a woven jute rug layered with a smaller vintage Turkish runner. Add a wooden dough bowl filled with fresh pine cones and white pumpkins for subtle seasonal charm. Jean Stoffer teaches us that beautiful organization is key to farmhouse living. Install a shoe cabinet with a weathered finish that doubles as a display surface. Think shaker-style simplicity. Top it with a wooden tray holding keys and a vintage brass dish and a small potted rosemary plant shaped like a mini Christmas tree. Add texture through a chunky knit throw draped over your bench. Incorporate a vintage ladder leaning against the wall to hang scarves or display small wreaths. For your doormat, choose natural core with a simple seasonal message in understated typography. These thoughtful touches create cohesion while maintaining practicality for busy holiday gatherings. The living room is where Jean Stoffer's magic truly shines. Begin with your existing neutral foundation: cream sofas, linen armchairs, and natural wood coffee tables. The key is layering textures rather than adding color. Drape chunky cable knit throws in ivory and oatmeal tones across seating. Add velvet pillows in champagne and taupe, mixed with vintage grain sack pillows, featuring subtle stripes. Your area rug should be a large-scale natural fiber piece, perhaps sisal or jute, anchoring the space. This neutral backdrop allows your Christmas elements to feel integrated rather than simply placed, creating that effortlessly curated look Stoffer is famous for achieving. Now layer in your holiday elements with intentionality. Choose a flocked Christmas tree or leave it natural, decorating exclusively with cream ribbon, antique brass ornaments, and mercury glass baubles. String lights should be warm white, never multicolored. On your mantle, arrange fresh greenery in varying heights. Eucalyptus, white pine, and olive branches create movement. Add antique brass candlesticks in different heights, beeswax taper candles, and perhaps one statement piece like a vintage wooden dough bowl filled with white hydrangeas preserved from summer. The fireplace can showcase a simple garland secured with linen ribbon, nothing more. Remember, Stoffer's philosophy embraces negative space as design. Your farmhouse dining room deserves a table setting that celebrates simplicity. Start with your foundational piece, a solid wood farm table with character and patina. Layer Belgian linen tablecloths in natural tones, allowing the texture to shine. Jean Stoffer often uses vintage European linens with subtle monograms or delicate embroidery. Your dinnerware should be simple ironstone or cream-colored stoneware, mixed with vintage finds from different eras that share a cohesive color palette. Add brass or pewter flatware for warmth. The beauty lies in the imperfect perfection, pieces that feel collected over time rather than purchased as a matching set. Create your centerpiece using a long wooden dough bowl, running the table's length. Fill it with fresh greenery, white tulips or roses if available in winter, and scattered votives in clear glass holders. Alternatively, use individual bud vases down the center, each holding a single stem of something beautiful, perhaps white ranunculus or spray roses. Add brass candlesticks of varying heights for drama and warmth. Place cards can be simple craft paper tied to sprigs of rosemary with twine. Napkins should be tied loosely with linen ribbon or fresh greenery springs. This approach feels both special and effortless, perfect for memorable holiday meals. The farmhouse kitchen embraces the lived-in beauty Jean Stoffer champions. Start by styling open shelving with ironstone collections, wooden cutting boards, and vintage crocks. Tuck small eucalyptus springs between dishes for subtle holiday charm. Your countertops should remain relatively clear, function first. But add a wooden tray near your coffee station with a small arrangement of greenery, perhaps around your French press or espresso machine. Consider hanging a simple wreath inside your window above the sink. Cabinet hardware in aged brass or matte black adds sophistication. The key is making your kitchen feel ready for holiday baking and gathering while maintaining everyday functionality. Around your range, hang copper pots or display them on a vintage baker's rack nearby for both utility and visual warmth. Style your refrigerator's surrounding area minimally, perhaps a vintage wooden sign with simple typography or a botanical print in a weathered frame. Your coffee machine area becomes a vignette with a small brass tray holding your favorite mugs, a beeswax candle, and a sprig of greenery. Add texture through linen hand towels hung on brass hooks, choosing natural colors with subtle holiday patterns. A vintage wooden bowl filled with fresh clementines or pomegranates provides color and fragrance without feeling contrived or overly festive. This is where comfort meets Stoffer's signature style. Your family room sofa should be deep and inviting, upholstered in durable natural linen or performance fabric in cream or warm gray. Layer with even more throws than your living room. This space is about pure comfort. Around your flat-screen TV, create balance by mounting it above a simple wooden console or vintage credenza. Flank the TV with tall candlesticks or greenery arrangements to soften the technology. Add a large basket nearby filled with cozy blankets. The coffee table should hold a wooden tray with remotes, a few beautiful books, and a small seasonal arrangement. Nothing too precious for family life. Create conversation areas with chairs angled toward the sofa, not just facing the TV. Add a vintage leather ottoman or upholstered poof for extra seating and footrest functionality. Hang simple artwork in weathered frames, perhaps vintage botanical prints or landscapes in muted tones. Your window treatments should be natural linen in a relaxed Roman shade or simple panels that puddle slightly on the floor. For Christmas, add a smaller secondary tree in the corner with children-friendly ornaments they can help decorate. String lights loosely in apothecary jars on shelves. This room should feel like the heart of holiday movie nights and game playing, beautiful but totally livable. Jean Stoffer understands modern life requires workspace, even in farmhouses. Choose a simple wooden desk with clean lines, perhaps a vintage farm table or Parsons-style piece. Position it near a window for natural light. Add a comfortable linen upholstered chair that coordinates with your overall palette. On the desk, keep things minimal, a vintage brass desk lamp, a small wooden tray for essentials, and perhaps a unique vintage desk clock with Roman numerals for character. A small vintage radio provides aesthetic interest and function. Keep technology cords hidden using vintage crocks or wooden boxes. Add a small bud vase with a single stem of greenery or cotton. Every farmhouse needs a peaceful retreat. Create your reading nook with an oversized linen armchair positioned near a window. Add a floor lamp with a linen shade for evening reading. Choose brass or aged iron for the base. A small side table holds your current book, reading glasses in a vintage dish, and a candle. Drape your chair with a chunky knit throw in cream or oatmeal. Add a sheepskin draped over the seat for extra coziness. On nearby walls, hang simple floating shelves displaying favorite books with spines facing out, interspersed with small greenery springs and brass bookends. This becomes your sanctuary during busy holiday seasons. Your farmhouse bedroom should feel like a luxurious retreat. Jean Stoffer favors all-white bedding with varying textures. Cotton sheets, linen duvet covers, and Belgian flax shams create depth without color. Layer with a vintage quilt at the foot and multiple Euro pillows behind standard pillows. Your bed frame should be simple wood or upholstered in natural linen. Nightstands can be mismatched vintage pieces united by similar scale and finish. Top them with brass or ceramic lamps with linen shades. For Christmas, add greenery garland loosely draped across your headboard or mirror, secured with linen ribbon. Keep scents subtle with beeswax candles or eucalyptus bundles hanging from bedposts. Transform your bathroom into a holiday spa using Stoffer's restraint. Above your vessel sink or undermount basin, hang a large vintage-inspired mirror with a weathered frame. Your faucet should be aged brass or matte black for sophistication. Add texture through Turkish hand towels in cream and gray hung on brass hooks or a vintage ladder. Style your vanity with a wooden tray holding glass apothecary jars filled with cotton balls and bath salts. Add a small arrangement of eucalyptus in a brass bud vase. In the shower area, hang eucalyptus bundles from the shower head using jute twine. The steam releases wonderful aromatherapy during holiday showers. Don't neglect your garage and holiday preparations. Jean Stoffer believes every space deserves attention. Install simple open shelving with painted wood or metal brackets for storage. Use vintage wooden crates and galvanized metal bins to organize seasonal items, tools, and sports equipment. Add hooks along walls for hanging wreaths, garlands, and outdoor decorations between uses. Create a potting station with a vintage workbench where you can prepare greenery arrangements. Paint walls in warm white to brighten the space and add simple Edison bulb string lights along the ceiling. A worn Persian runner along the floor adds unexpected warmth. This becomes functional storage that doesn't sacrifice your farmhouse aesthetic. Your farmhouse patio extends your living space outdoors. Start with durable teak or weathered wood furniture. A large farm table with benches creates gathering space. Add comfort with outdoor pillows in weather-resistant fabrics in your neutral palette. String cafe lights overhead in a zigzag pattern for ambient evening lighting. For Christmas, add potted evergreens in galvanized buckets flanking the entrance. Hang a wreath on exterior walls or garage doors nearby. Create a beverage station using a vintage bar cart or console table with lanterns, a rustic ice bucket, and simple glassware. Add warmth with an outdoor fireplace or fire pit surrounded by Adirondack chairs draped with outdoor throws. What makes Jean Stoffer's approach so compelling is her commitment to timelessness over trends. She curates rather than decorates, choosing pieces with history and patina that tell stories. Her Christmas styling never feels forced because it's rooted in her year-round aesthetic, neutral palettes, natural materials, and intentional restraint. The key is editing ruthlessly. If something doesn't serve a purpose or bring joy, it doesn't earn a place in your space. Invest in quality foundational pieces and layer in seasonal elements that complement rather than compete. This philosophy creates homes that feel collected over generations, not assembled from a single shopping trip. It's authentic, sustainable, and deeply personal. We've journeyed through every space in your farmhouse, transforming it into a Jean Stoffer-inspired Christmas haven. Remember, the magic is in the details: the patina of aged brass, the softness of Belgian linen, the fragrance of fresh eucalyptus, and the warm glow of candlelight. Your home should feel elevated yet comfortable, special yet livable. This holiday season, embrace neutral tones, natural textures, and restraint. Let your decorations enhance rather than overwhelm your architecture and furnishings. If you loved this tour, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more design inspiration. Comment below with which space you're most excited to decorate. Happy holidays, and here's to creating your most beautiful, timeless Christmas yet.